Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will describe one picture, busy market scene. This picture shows a busy market. Many people have come to buy fruits and vegetables. A shopkeeper is standing at his stall. He is talking to a woman who wants to buy tomatoes. The woman is holding a basket in her hand. Her basket is full of fresh vegetables. Another lady is buying carrots and cabbages. There are many colorful stalls in the market. Some people are choosing fruits and some are paying money. The market looks crowded but cheerful. Everyone seems busy and happy while shopping. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.